Good morning, students. Now today we are we are taking continue chapter number 5, data handling. And in this video we are talking about circle graph. In previous video we already talked about bar graph, double bar graph, pictograph, histogram, and today we are taking this circle graph. Circle graph also we can say this pie chart, pie graph also we can say. Circle means there is one circle. In that circle some parts given, means whole part of its included part we call whole and its parts. That means circle graph. In this circle graph, this is the circle graph of the time spent by a child during a day. Means suppose there are 24 hours in a day. We know that in a day there are 24 hours. 24 hours. From this 24 hours, he spent 8 hours in sleeping. 8 hours is spent in sleep, and 6 hours is spent in school. 3 hours is spent in play. 3 hours spent in others, and homework is spent 4 hours. This clear? So if we calculate, it will become a 24 hours. See, 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. And 20 plus 4, 24. This is all day, one day graph given. So we can say it is a circle graph. So these are called circle graph. A circle graph shows the relation. A circle graph shows the relationship. The circle graph shows the relationship of all and its parts. All and its parts. That means the circle graph. These are called circle graph. A circle graph shows the relationship between a whole and its part. Relationship between a whole and its part. These all circle and its parts. These all are parts. That means it is a circular graph. Suppose how much part he spent in sleeping. So if we want to find this, then if we want to find how much part, that means all is in sleeping upon all total. Sleeping hours is 8 and total hours is 24. So 1 by 3 part. That means 1/3 part is spent in sleeping of a all day. Then in school hours upon total. So school hours is 6 and total is 24. 6 4 1 by 4 part. 1 by 4 part is spent in a school. Then play. So play hours upon total hours. Play hours is 3, then this 24. 1 by 8 part. This clear? Now other also same. Other means other upon total 3 hours 24. 1 by 8 part. Now in homework, So homework upon total. Homework is 4 and this 24. 1 by 6, 5. 1 by 3, 1 by 4. These all are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So here one important thing I want to show you that this if we add these all 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 6, we will get 1. Its answer we will get 1 because it's a one circle with all circle. There is one circle. So let's do this calculation and verify that answer is 1, yes or no. So verification is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 6. This form. Okay. Now it's LCM. 3, 4, 6, 8. 3, 4, 6, 8 LCM. That's 2. 2 to the 4, 3 to the 4 side. 2 to the 3 1 the 3 to the 6 to the 12 to the 24. Yes. So LCM equal to 24. 3 8 the 4 6 the 8 3 the 8 3 the 4 the. Okay. Now 8 1 the 8, 6 1 the 6, 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3, 4 1 the 4 upon total 24. Now let's do addition. 6 plus 4 10 plus 18 18 plus 3 21 plus 3 24 by 24. That is 1. 1 means all circle. So now students, you see this is the part. These all are the part of all circle. All circle means 1. One circle. One circle means if we add these all part, we got answer here 1. So this circular graph. See this now exercise from our textbook exercise 5.2 sum number 1. This one pie chart means circle graph given and 3 questions given. We have to find these all 3 questions. So here, see, let's read this question properly. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people like in a city. Adjoining pie chart show the findings of this survey. From this pie chart, answer the following. This question given and this pie chart given. One survey is there. In that survey, like those people like light music, there are 40%, and folk music 30%, classical music like 10%, and semi-classical 20%. So in this survey, these all are given in percent. All part means 100%. From this 100%, there are few parts: 40%, 30%, 10%, and 20%. We want to find each part how many people. Those all we have to find here. So simple. We can observe how many people like music, 40%, and folk dance 30%, classical dance 10%, and semi-classical dance 20%. So in this survey, question number 1: if 20 people like classical music, all part. First we have to write 1 all part equal to 100%. All part is our percentage given, so we have to do here 100%. Okay. So according to this, we have to take. Suppose one day means 24 hours, but here hours means 24 hours. Here percentage given, so we have to put here 100%, one part. First, if 20 people like classical music, if 20 people like classical music, how many young people were surveyed? So 20% is classical music is 20 people like classical music. 20 people like classical music. How many young people were surveyed? So here simply this 10%. Classical music, how many? 10%. And we want to survey on 20 people. 20 people, so we can write here 20 people and 100 upon this 10%. 20 people, 100 and 10%. Downside we have to write this 10. 0 0 1 means 200 people surveyed. That means 200 people surveyed. From that 200, 20 people like classical music. That means they surveyed. They go one by one, 200 people. And how many people like classical music they surveyed. From that survey, they found that 20 people like classical music. So total how many people they surveyed? We have to find that. Means original count we have to find. Whenever we have to find original count, that time we have to write 100 means percent 100 we have to write upper side, and that given percentage we have to write down side. This will come in our next chapter in comparing quantities. This all will come, but in this still you see this 20 multiply 100 upon survey percent 10. So 0 0 will cut. That means 200 people. So they surveyed 200 people. From that 200 people, 20 people like classical music. That means we can say 10% also we can say. Now number 2. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? Maximum percentage we can observe 40 is highest percentage. So maximum people like music. So we can write here answer like music, and that is 40%. So we can say 40% people like music. Okay. And also we can say which type of music is liked by the minimum number of people. Minimum number of people like this lowest percent. So we can write here answer also 10%. If here maximum given but minimum given, then we can write classical music 10%. Okay, but here maximum given. So which part is more here? Like part is more here. So most of people like music, and that is 40%. So we can write here like music, it is 40%. Is it clear, beta? Now 3. If a cassette company, this is important, if a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many CDs? 1000 CDs. How many of each type would they make? Means suppose there is one company and he produces 1000 CDs of his company. So he want to distribute this 1000 CDs from this all section. Light part they want to give, all parts, classical part and semi-classical. So how many CDs he has to be distributed to each part? So let's find this. First we will find this light for light music. So simple, for light music, see this 40, and how many CDs? 1000. Yeah, simple. 40% multiply 1000 upon 100%. This cancel. So 400 CDs. So from that 1000 we have to take 400 CDs to distribute light section. Okay. Now second is follow. For this 30, simple same method, 30 multiply 1000 upon 100 means 300 series. So 300 series we have to give in fall section. Now see classical. In this classical for classical 10. So here 10 multiply 1000 upon 100 001. That means we have to distribute 100 CDs in classical section. Now semi-classical. In the semi-classical, that is 10%, 10 multiply 1000 upon 100, so 100 series. Semi-classical, sorry, 20, this 20, so 200. So this type of series we can distribute in this all part. So total series we can observe that total series is 1000. See, 400 plus 3 700, 800, and this to 1000 series. So this way we can distribute. So from this pie chart we can find this type of question from that pie chart. Now from our textbook exercise 5.2 sum number 2. This type of table given and I read this question from textbook. See, a group of 360 people, a group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from the 3 seasons: rainy, winter and summer. So this type of table given from textbook. Season, number of votes, summer. So 90 people like summer. They surveyed and they found that summer 90 people like summer. Rainy season 120, winter 150. So total number of people we can find from this graph. Total. You see, is 0. 9 to 11 and 5 6 and 1 2 3. Total number of people equal to 360. So how many people survey given here? Total number of people there are 360. Total number of people we can say here 360 people. Now first number, which season got the most votes? Which season? So more people, that means most like. Most votes. So in winter 150. So we can write winter and 150 people. So we can say from 360, 150 people like winter season. Now second number, which season got the least votes? Means how many people dislike the season? Means smallest, which is the smallest number from this votes? 90. That means summer. How many people? 90 people. So we can say from total 360 people, 90 people likes summer season. Means this most and this least. Now third question, find the central angle of each sector. See, this is important. What angle? This important point word from this sentence. Angle means angle always measured if we rotate one angle. That means it is 360 degree. We know that. So total angle. All angle equal to 360 degree. Okay, find the central angle of each sector. So total angle means all circle, means if we round one circle, that means it is 360 degree. Here first we want to find 90 and also we have 360 people. So summer summer this 90 and how many number of people? 360 people, and one circle means 360. Yes, this cancel. So 90 degree. If we convert this number of watts into degree, that means it is 90 degree. Okay, this number we have to convert into degree, and one circle, whole circle means 360 degree. And although here also given 360 people, so 90, this 90, this 360 upon 360. Now second is raining. In rainy season, 120 upon this 360 upon total number 360, 120. This winter 150 people, this 360 degree upon 360 people, so 150 degree. Clear? So if we convert this number of watts into degree, so we got here summer 90 degree, rainy season 120 degree, and winter season 150 degree. Now last question, draw a pie chart. So we have to do here pie chart. First we have to draw here one circle. In this one circle is center and 90 degree. So 90 degree, obviously we know this type of it is 90 degree. This circle. This 90. Now rainy season 120 degree. So we can know this 90 and this 30 and this 160, 120. So from here this will become 120 degree for rainy. Here the remaining is 150. Is 150 degree for rainy. This is our pie chart. So students, this type of we have to draw a pie chart in our notebook. Now next sum we will take in next video. So watch this video properly and write down also in our fan notebook. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.